The first luxurious real estate on the list is the 1819 Kensington Gardens. The value of this real estate is around $128 million. This eye-catchy property is located on Billionaires Row, which is one of London's most prestigious areas, Kensington Gardens. Kensington Gardens property is owned by Indian business mogul and billionaire Lakshmi Mittal, who is the chairman and CEO of the world's largest steel-making company, ArcelorMittal, built on 55,000 square feet, having 12 bedrooms, an indoor pool, Turkish baths, and enough parking spaces for 20 cars. The next luxurious estate on the list is Palazzo Di Amore. Palazzo Di Amore is also one of the most expensive homes in the world, which can be found in Beverly Hills, California. Palazzo Di Amore is owned by successful real estate entrepreneur Jeff Green and built on approximately 53,000 square feet. This magnificent villa has 12 bedrooms, 23 bathrooms, different swimming pools, tennis courts, waterfalls and theaters, and enough parking spaces for 27 vehicles. The house looks more like a holiday resort than someone's home, but it's one of the world's most expensive homes. Its current worth is around $150 million. Hi viewers! When it comes to sourcing videos loaded with genuine information, this YouTube channel is the best for you. We will be talking about some luxury real estate in the world today. So don't stop or pause this video and make sure you watch this video until the end. Which real estate is the most luxurious and expensive in the world today? You'll get to know them right away. You'll need at least $128 million to own such luxurious real estate. Next, we have Ellison Estate. This $200 million property is owned by Larry Ellison, the co-founder of Oracle and one of the world's richest men. This highly valued real estate is the 8th most expensive house in the world. Inside the compound are 10 different structures, a tea house and bathhouse, and a man-made lake. The designs of this real estate were done by Paul Driscoll, a structural engineer and a Zen Buddhist teacher. Within the estate grounds, there are some very expensive trees like cherry blossoms, maples, oaks, and redwoods. Another luxury real estate on the list is the Fairfield Pond. If one of the most expensive houses isn't located in New York City, then you're not saying anything. This $248 million valued luxury real estate is the home of Ira Renner, owner of the Renault Group, a holding investment company that specializes in smelting and manufacturing. The 63-acre home comes equipped with 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, a 91-foot dining room, basketball court, bowling alley, squash courts, tennis courts, and 3 swimming pools. To power the mansion requires a gigantic supply of electricity. The good news is, the house comes with its very own power plant located on site. It also has a big garage that can contain 100 cars. Next is the Odeon Tower Penthouse. This luxury real estate is valued at around $330 million and tagged as one of the most expensive houses in the world. Designed by top architect Alexander Gerald and developed by Group Mazzocco. With that huge value of money, you'll get a 35,000 square foot apartment at the very top of one of the most expensive buildings in Monaco. If you are a young, unmarried man with a lot of money, this luxury real estate is one of the most impressive ones worth spending on. Le Palais Bulle. The current value for this luxury real estate is around $390 million. Le Palais Bulle was designed by Hungarian architect Antilla and was built within the year 1975 to 1989. Currently owned by Pierre Cardin, an Italian-born French fashion designer. Furthermore, this unique property has 3 swimming pools, numerous gardens, and a 500-seat amphitheater built into the hillside grounds. perfect as a holiday home for Pierre, alongside being a spectacular venue for parties and events such as when Dior showed its cruise collection there at an indoor and outdoor fashion show. Villa Les Cadres. Occupying the 4th spot on this list is Villa Les Cadres, located in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France. This real estate is valued at $450 million, close to $500 million. Wow, this is massive. This building was first built in the 18th century and bought by King Leopold II of Belgium in 1904. At first, it was tagged the most expensive house on the market back in 2017, but has since been overtaken by some properties on the list. The property is set on approximately 35 acres of gardens, and its name derives from the many cedar trees located throughout its grounds. The house itself is roughly 18,000 square feet and consists of 14 bedrooms. It also has an Olympic-sized swimming pool and a large stable that can accommodate 30 horses. Within the surroundings, you'll find crystal chandeliers, gilded woodwork, 19th century oil paintings, and a wood-paneled library holding somewhere in the region of 3,000 books. The next luxury real estate is Villa Leopolda. This luxury real estate is currently the 3rd most expensive in the world and valued at $750 million. The owner of this property is Lily Safra, the widow of Lebanese-Brazilian banker Edmond Safra. It's located in the France's Alpes-Maritime department of its Côte d'Azur region and occupies approximately 50 acres. It features 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, a commercial greenhouse, a helipad, an outdoor kitchen, and one of the nicest swimming pools you'll ever see. The second to the last luxury real estate on the list is Antilla. Antilla is the first luxury real estate to be worth $1 billion in the world. This high-class luxury real estate is located in Mumbai, India, and costs a whopping $2 billion. It was designed and constructed by Chicago-based architecture firm Perkins & Will and hospitality design firm Hirsch Bender Associates. The real estate property was built for Mukesh Ambani, the chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries Limited, a Fortune Global 500 company and India's richest man. The 400,000 square foot building is positioned in Mumbai's Kambala Hill neighborhood and stands at an impressive 27 stories high. The interior is spacious. You'll find 6 floors that are specially designed for car storage, a service station for the cars, a temple, a 50-seat movie theater, and 9 elevators. Isn't that impressive? In addition to its luxurious features are a health spa, 3 helipads, a salon, a ballroom and yoga studio, an ice cream room, and multiple cinemas. The last and the most expensive is the Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is the most expensive and beautiful house in the world ever built, but it is not personal property. Its current value is around $5 billion, and it is situated in the center of the state occasions and royal hospitality place in the city of Westminster. Before 1730, the property was known as Buckingham House. After that, it was in private ownership for at least 150 years. Then it was taken by King George III in 1761 as a private residence for Queen Charlotte and became known as the Queen's House. Right now, Buckingham Palace has served as the official London residence of the UK's sovereigns since 1837. This house is designed by professional architects William Wind, John Nash, Aston Webb, Thomas Cubitt, and Edward Blair. We hope you enjoyed our list of luxury real estate in the world. Isn't it amazing to think that a house can cost over $1 billion? It's insane to think for sure, but it's a reality. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below your thoughts, give this a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more information.